So we're here at the center portion of the park, and we have Pinoy characters. They seem to have Ilonggo names like this one is Marapara. We have a mountain range called Marapara, so that's probably it, but she doesn't exist in our local folklore. This is Princess Dia. I have no idea who the heck is Princess Dia in our folklore. There's no story about her, so this is just a made-up character. And Boy Bakunawa. Bakunawa is that dragon that gobbles up the sun or the moon, or it's a mythical character. But yeah, it's interesting that they came up with this character. Boy Bakunawa. There you go, Boy Bakunawa. Okay, you have to come up with a story about him. And Princess Dia. You don't even know what Dia is. And Marapara. Marapara. Okay, nice. Nice, at least there are characters with Ilonggo names. And there is the ferris wheel. He likes the music. It brings out the little boy in him. Binata-bata naman siya. We're marching to the Ferris wheel. We'll try this. Okay, so we are doing the Ferris wheel. Whoa. Interesting name, the Eye of Silay. It rhymes. Alright. No cell phone still. Okay, we're taking the green. So Tioga, is it rotating, revolving? Rotating! Yeah, it applies to both. Rotating and revolving.
See, I don't think this is sort of, it's not as scary as
It's not.
I
It's
thought,
not,
but
it's
we
not.
will see. The Sky Tower is not as high, that I know.
We are having an awesome view. I can even transfer, right? But it's against the
we
light.
can, but I just see the Sky Tower. It's the same. No, this one is a little higher.
Higher.
Now you actually really use the rides.
Yes, the only thing that convinced Holger to come here and enjoy the place is because there aren't many people around.
Meaning you can go straight into the rides. No waiting time.
No waiting time. Because the next time, if this is fully crowded, no way are we going here. We're not.
How
coming
many
here.
rounds? 10?
Oh, 2 rounds. That was one round. That was it. That was
I want my money back.
2 rounds.
So you can show them all the rides that we did, like the crazy trail.
Yep.
Over there.
Look at the
We
view.
didn't do the carousel.
Can I stand up? Yeah, I mean,
Where's Alan?
that's the crazy trails over there. The airport is somewhere over there, I believe. Alangilan is
We made
there.
seated all the time.
Oh,
there.
sorry.
Ah,
I want to get a good view.
well, here.
That's the carousel.
And the sky.
Sky tower, the sky.
But this crazy
Tower.
trail looks good.
Yeah, crazy trails, the best for us.
We think.
Yeah, for us, it's not that scary. It's
Actually,
just
no,
crazy.
we couldn't try the actually.
We're
We're stuck.
Come back.
You notice?
Yeah, we're stuck. We're not moving. That's exciting. Getting
I
stuck
don't know.
here.
Are you good at climbing?
Climbing
I know
down.
Pinoys are very good at climbing.
Oh yeah, I can do that. Oh yeah.
This ride can't be too bad because the kids next door are eating ice cream.
Oh yeah.
While being phones.
And cell phones are not prohibited, so we can film the ride, we can take selfies.
The sky, the sky.
Oh, the sky tower!
There's people. You can see them and
Yep.
how they go.
There! I love that ride too. It feels like it makes you feel how to be a yo-yo. There. Look at them, look at them, look at them! Ah, screaming and jumping up and down. Going up and down! Ah. Alright, the carousel ride, and we're allowed to use our cell phones! Yay! It brings back the child in you. You can be a child again. Daw bata lang! Pwede ka binata-bata. And I'm enjoying it! Just like everybody else. Look. There he is, my cheering squad. So, are you going to do it again? Are we doing it again? That's the craziest ride there. Are we going to do it again?
Let's see that guy there. Let's see how he is afterwards.
So the verdict is, been there, done that.